Hello, teacher. My name is Nidia Livia Vara. I was born on June 10th, 1988, and I am 37 years old. I live with my family. I live with my two children, my brother, and my husband. I studied physical therapy. My favorite courses are sport therapy and manual therapy. I work in a hospital as nurse from Monday to Friday. In my free time, I like going to the beach and listening to music. Um, I am taking this course to learning new things and practice my skill. Thank you. Bye bye, teacher.